Hello to all wonderful parents and my dear students, Ma Bharati greetings. As you know, the book set is now available in the market. So let me give you a brief description about the books and the notebooks. Before I start giving you the knowledge about the books and the notebooks, I have mentioned everything on the board. Total number of books we have 17, total number of notebooks we have 15. We have one diary also. Now come to the main subject. First subject we have English text and English grammar. First we have English 1 book. The name of the book is Focus. And we have English grammar book. The name of the book is Know Your Grammar. I don't have the book right now, but it is now available in the market. Now come to the notebooks. First we have English 1 English text notebook with us, and single line notebook it is. Second we have English grammar, which is also single line. Third we have English text copy book combined, English 1 and English 2 copy. We also have our writing book, which can improve your handwriting. Now come to Hindi 1, which is also called as Hindi text. Hindi text we have, the name of the book is Dharohar. Second we have English grammar book. The name of the book is Vyakaran Anand. Now come to the notebooks of Hindi. Hindi text copy we have 1 line, single line copy we have. Second we have English grammar copy, single line also, and combined test copy of English text and English grammar. Also we have Hindi writing book. Now we have mathematics. 3 total books we have for mathematics, and first book is Maths Beyond. Second we have the worksheet on mathematics. Third we have Olympiad sample paper book. Now we have 2 notebooks of maths. Both are single line. First notebook and the test notebook of maths. Next subject we have science. We have 1 book of science. Science for juniors. We have 2 notebook for science. First is classwork, 1 line notebook. Second we have test notebook of science, also which is single line. Next subject we have social studies, also called as SST. We have 1 book for social studies, 2 notebooks, both has 1 line notebooks is there, 1 classwork notebook and 1 test copy. Both are single line. 2 map books is given to you. You all can see, 1 is world map and 1 for India. 2 map books are there. The next subject we have computer. The name of the book is Codebotics. Then we have 1 computer notebook and 1 test copy we have for computer, single line. Next subject we have general knowledge, we also called as GK. 1 general knowledge book we have, and no notebook is there for general knowledge. Only 1 test copy will be there for general knowledge, which is single line. Now let's come to the drawing subject. In drawing we have 1 coloring book. The name of the book is Coloring Cubes. Second we have the sketch notebook. So this is all about the books and the notebooks. Now I want you to give some general instruction. Firstly, I want you all to cover the books and the notebooks very nicely and write your name with permanent black marker, only with capital letters. Secondly, I want you to write your name and class on the very first page of your notebook. That is, after index you will write your name and class over here also. That's all. See you all very soon, that is on 5th April. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.